Okay, I'm bringing to you a very extremely hot crypto node, and the good stuff is not even out yet, but the token is out. How crazy it is, and it's already listed on Binance, Coinbase, and also on KuCoin. Yes, it's called Lumia. I mentioned to you that I'm going to bring you a very hot node. I did bring this year two very hot nodes. One is still on sale and I'm giving away free freaking node in 3 days time. So make sure you use my code to get a node, to get a freaking node for free. And also I'm going to choose 3 or 4 lucky people and I'm going to send you some money because you use my code. Thank you so much. Okay, Lumia node. What the heck you mean, Phil, that the token is out and the node is not out yet? Okay, so we know that usually the node starts selling, then the token is coming in few months time. Sometimes can take a long time. Some of my nodes I bought before, some like not very fancy, they're still not even out yet and the node is on sale for like months. But this one, the token is called Orion. So Orion is already out yet and the token is listed, check this out, on Binance, BitGet, KuCoin, Gate.io, Coinbase and a couple of other exchanges. What's mean the token is out yet? What's mean this token, Orion, going to become Lumia token? Yes. So how crazy it is. Okay, so let me explain you. So this is very hype. There are big names behind this node and you will hear a lot of big YouTubers, big names going to talk about this one. I cannot mention any names yet because I'm not allowed, because they still didn't mention. One guy mentioned his live show a few days ago, but again, still I don't have the green light. Now, check this out. Lumia node. The node is coming only in maybe 10 days time, a week or maybe 10 days time when you watch this video, beginning of July. The price, what will be the price? It's a $1,000, okay? And the good stuff is end of July or August, I believe was August, the swap will be happen. What's mean? Orion node, Orion token going to become Lumia. How many tokens we're going to get? Okay, we're going to get daily rewards, 102,000 tokens. So everybody who owned the node, this token going to be split between everybody. The token price right now is 168. Now, what will be the ratio and all that stuff? I don't have the clue for the moment. If it's 1-to-1, it will be 168 for a token. What's very crazy, but even if it's 2-to-1, what I believe maybe will be that. I don't know, I need to dig up a little bit more, but I'm excited to bring you this video. Still, even if it's 50 cents for a token, the price is extremely high. I'm going to buy first one, first hour, probably first minute, and I think this will be extremely high node. What's mean? Make sure you understand that nothing here is financial advice. Do your own research because this is crypto and you can lose everything. Okay, if you hear my kids, they are screaming right there. Okay, what is very important? Again, the token is not, the node is not even out yet. Make sure you understand, Phil, this will be the code to get the node. You must use the code. If you use my code, thank you so much. Phil08. Phil08, that's the code to get the node. Simple as that, okay? So use that because it's beneficial for my channel and also for my donation where I'm helping around the world. And also I'm going to choose probably few lucky winners after 3-4 weeks time and I'm going to send you some rewards because of thank you for using my code. So what is Lumia in the nutshell? I'm going to do few videos for this one, probably many, but basically it's a hyper liquidity for real world assets. Yes, so Lumia is the first ever liquidity layer designed to provide deep liquidity to real world assets using decentralized physical infrastructure networks or DePIN, okay? So they're going to connect the real world asset with the blockchain liquidity. So the Web3 liquidity model will be available on every major blockchain, every DEX, and also every CEX or centralized exchange. So this is crazy, okay? So that's why this node will be extremely hype. So the ultimate liquidity model native integrate into Lumia, L2 and available on every major blockchain. So seamlessly aggregates liquidity across chains, ecosystem, DEXs and centralized exchange. World-class capital efficiency through technological innovation benefits both users and builders, okay? For the robust ecosystem. So will be the next generation, ultra efficient, hyper liquid layer 2 rollup. It's many things to talk, but I don't want to keep this video, okay? And let me just get to few other stuff, okay? So that's their history. They are created from 2018 and now it's 2024. They're already out for many years, okay? So here you will see that the Orion DAO approved transition to Lumia, so that's Q1. And Q2 of 2024, that is right now, token swap from ORN to Lumia plan. Support from major exchange and partners secure. There we go. So this is going to happen. The change from Orion to Lumia. And this is why Lumia is going to be, it is a sleeping giant. So check this out, okay? So it's 150 million of injective fees full. Again, Lumia is full diluted value, it's 150 mil, injective 2.5 bill, say is 5.5 billion, Optimism 10.8 billion, and we have Arbitrum 12 billion. Lumia is 150 million. So I believe, again, not financial advice, but I'm hyped about this node. Why? Because we're going to get tokens for 4 years, and also every year they're going to have, exactly like the Bitcoin, a halvening, which means we're going to earn less tokens, which means the price usually, hopefully, will go freaking up. And also they mention opportunity cost is minimized as there will be no long delay between the node sell and real rewards. That's why I'm going to get in the first day, because early you get, more tokens you get. Because if everybody buy, if you get, let's say in week number 5 and there are 20,000 nodes sold, well, you're getting less tokens, okay? Just learn that and understand that. Okay, there's so much to talk. Oh, there we go. The Orion token will be swapped directly to Lumia token on Binance and other topics. Centralized exchange in the near future with rewards for nodes starting shortly after. So I'm not sure if that's mean we're going to get the nodes after or not, but doesn't matter. I'm going to be there day number 1, hour number 1. And as I understand, you just buy and hold the node and you don't need to do anything. And we're going to be able to buy with different exchanges, with different chains like ARP, like Binance, like Base. So fees will be extremely cheap. And 50% of the token supply of Lumia is going to go for the hyper nodes. And also with the hyper nodes, you're going to be able to stake, to earn more, but that will be for more different in-depth video. That's about it for this video. Give me a like and let me know what you think in the comment section about this node. Are you going to get in or not? That's why I'm the first YouTuber who is bringing to you. As always, love you all. Crypto Phil. See you in the next one.